Hi, welcome back. It's another back-to-back Hustle Diaries with me today. I just had my first part of the back-to-back just a few minutes ago, and just checking in again. And it's me, Mary Ann, originally from Manila, Philippines, and now based in Ontario, Canada. Wife, mom, and someone who's learned that confidence doesn't always come before action. Nope. And this one, the topic is acting without confidence. I have a question for you guys. Have you ever done something even though you didn't feel ready? Yung tipong kinakabahan ka, marami kang doubts, hindi mo alam kung magiging okay ba, pero ginagawa mo pa rin. Honestly, I think we've all been there. Kasi madalas akala natin, kailangan muna natin maging confident bago tayo kumilos. Pero what if baliktad? What if confidence comes after we take action? Think about it. No one learns to ride a bike with confidence. No. No one starts a new job feeling like they know everything. And no one becomes good at something the very first time. We all start as beginners. We all are unsure. And that's okay. I remember when I first started doing videos, grabe, sobrang awkward. I would overthink what I say, magre-record ng ilang beses, minsan gusto ko nang i-delete lahat. But if I waited until I felt completely confident, baka hindi pa rin ako nagsisimula hanggang ngayon, honestly. And that's what I realized. Confidence is built through action. Every time you try, you learn. Every time you show up, you grow. And every time you do something uncomfortable, you prove to yourself that you're capable. Not perfect, capable. Minsan kasi iniintay natin, mawala yung fear bago tayo kumilos. Pero what if the goal is to move forward kahit may fear? Because courage isn't the absence of fear. It's taking action despite it. So, this time, gusto ko itanong sa inyo to. Ano yung isang bagay na ginawa mo kahit hindi ka pa confident? Maybe it was speaking up, or it was trying something new. Maybe it was making a decision that scared you. And looking back, what happened? Because chances are, you handled it better than you thought. Tama ba? Yes. Thank you again for spending a few minutes with me here in Hustle Diaries. Remember, you don't need more confident to start. Sometimes you just need to start to build confidence. Right? Take care, keep showing up, and I'll see you again for day 23. Bye!